Hello, students. Today, in this topic, we are going to see the syllabus for FYBSc. Myself, Dr. Darshana Subhash Kurgaukar, Assistant Professor, Department of Zoology, and I'm going to deal with your paper 2 for this semester. Okay, so about paper 2. The title of your paper 2 is Nutrition, Public Health and Hygiene. So, paper 2 comprises of 3 units. First, the nutrition and health. Second, public health and hygiene. Third, common human diseases and disorders. Okay, so unit first, nutrition and health. So, in this unit, you're going to learn about the concept of balanced diet, different essential nutrients of food at different stages of your life. This topic is included in your syllabus just to inculcate a healthy dietary habits among you youths. So, in Unit 1, that is Nutrition and Health, we are going to see the following topics. So, first, we are going to see concept of balanced diet. In this topic, we are going. This topic is highlighted on different dietary recommendations to the normal adult, infant, pregnant women, and aged. Also, what is balanced diet? Who proposed this balanced diet theory? All this is highlighted in your topic. Second, in second topic, that is the malnutrition disorders, there are a number of disorders like anemia, then rickets, marasmus, goiter, kwashiorkor. This all disorders are caused due to certain dietary imbalances or certain due to deficiency of certain nutritious substances. So we are going to study this disorders, their causes, their symptoms, what are the precautions and the remedies for these disorders. Thirdly, we are going to study some conditions like constipation, piles, starvation, acidity, flatulence, peptic ulcers. Again, um, we are going to study causes, symptoms, precautions, and remedies for these conditions. Next, we are going to study about the obesity. What is obesity? What are the consequences of obesity? What are the different diseases come along with the obesity, etc. Also, we are going to study the importance of fibers in our food. Next, we are going to study the significance of breastfeeding, then swine flu, disease swine flu, its cause, symptoms, precautions, and remedy. Lastly, in this unit, we are going to study what is BMI, its calculation, and significance. Next is your unit 2. The title of Unit 2 is Public Health and Hygiene. In this topic, you're going to study about source, quantum, and need for conservation of fast depleting water resource and essentials of maintaining proper sanitation. Along with this, you're also going to study about the um, personal hygiene and optimizing the use of electronic gadgets. Next, in Unit 2, first, while studying about the health, you're going to study why there is a need for a health education. What are the physical, psychological, and social health issues? Also, in this topic, we are going to study about some diseases like polio, smallpox, malaria, and leprosy, which, due to some proper plannings, these diseases are now on verge of extinction. Like polio is eradicated, smallpox is eradicated. Okay, so we are going to see what are the efforts taken by WHO, that is World Health Organization, to eradicate these diseases. And what is their status in India? Next, we are also going to see what the self effects of self medication. Self medication, that is, we don't go to a doctor, we know something about medicines, and we just take the medicines by our own. So, and because of such things, what are its ill effects? So this is one of the interesting topic which is included in your syllabus, that is ill effects of self medication. Nextly, in second topic, we are going to see water and water supply. What are the different sources of water? Then what are the different sources of water? What are the properties of water? Then how water purification is done? Small scale, medium scale, large scale. Then water footprints. Then in next topic, we are going to see about hygiene and health factors at home, like personal hygiene, oral hygiene, sexual hygiene. Different types of hygiene we are going to study. Also, we are going to study about the radiation risk, like mobile cell tower, electronic gadgets like TV, cell phones, etc. Last point is blood bank. So in this topic we are going to study this concept and significance of blood bank. Third and the last unit is common human diseases and disorders. In this topic, you're going to study some stress related disorders and infectious disorders. So, firstly, the stress related disorders. In this, the first is hypertension, then diabetes, anxiety, insomnia, migraine, depression. We are also going to study the causes, symptoms, precautions, and remedies for the stress related disorders. 3.2, that is the communicable and non-communicable diseases. Communicable is the diseases which spread very rapidly from one person to another, and non-communicable diseases are the diseases which do not spread very rapidly. So we are going to study about the different diseases, their causes, their causative agents, symptoms, diagnostics, their precautions and preventions and remedy. So, tuberculosis, then typhoid, dengue, hepatitis, some respiratory diseases like asthma, bronchitis, then cancer, oral cancer, etc. So, this is the syllabus of FYBSc paper 2 for your second semester. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, keep learning.